INUV stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to be answering everything around that in this brief and short 1-minute video, because I'm the only person in this space with 40,000 videos, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And I'm here to tell you that with Inuvo Incorporated, it's actually quite sick. I quite like it. Like, I'm gonna mark up the top. The way that I like to double down on this from a swing approach is like obviously double break, but this range is so huge, it's crazy. And it's not a bad thing, technically not a bad thing, because in this huge of a range, we have a demand zone that we're tapping currently. And if I see a confirmation here, it's all freaking, again, bullishness for me. So I will continue to keep you updated. All I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting. Just mark out the top. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. And I will continue to keep you updated. See you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.